Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to return items to Walmart. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, your account, and your shopping cart, as you can see. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and return items to Walmart. So you can in-store return. So bring the item, take the item you want to return to the customer service desk at your local Walmart. You can bring your receipt or order confirmation mail. And of course, the staff will assist you to return process. We have online returns. Go to Walmart website or app as we are in the website now. Navigate to the purchase history, which you can do by clicking to the top right corner. Click on account and going to purchase history. Choose the item you want to return and click on start a return. Select whether you want to return the item by mail, schedule a pickup, or drop it off at a FedEx location. If returning by email, print a return label and attach it to your package. Of course, we had the return policy. Most items can be returned within 90 days of purchase. Some items like electronics, wireless phones, and certain marketplace items have shorter return windows. So keep that in mind. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.